Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Math. Today's topic is functions. Let's begin. The first question says, consider the function f of x equals to this, where x is not equals to 0. For what value of x does f of x equals to 2 over 3? So I'm going to write 2 over 3 equals to x plus 5 over x. That becomes 2x equals to 3x plus 15. And I get minus 15 equals to x. That was an easy question. Let's look at the next easy question. It says f of x equals to this. What is f of minus 1? So I need to put in minus 1 here. I can do this entirely on a calculator as well if you want. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4. That gives me the numerator as minus 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's minus 1. That should be the correct answer. The next question it says, given that this, for all values of x, for which of the following will represent f of root 2? So first I'm going to compute f of root 2 and see what my answer is, and then I'm going to insert it into the function again. So that gives me 4 minus 1, 3. So f of root 2 simply means that f of 3. So 2 times 3 square minus 1, that's 18 minus 1 is 17. Let's look at the next one. Question number 4. If f of x minus 2 is this, for what values of x then this? So remember that inside the bracket, what you want is minus 3. So what value of x gives me minus, this is x minus 2. So x minus 2 equals to minus 3. What value of x will give me minus 3? X equals to minus 1 will give me minus 3. So I'm going to say 3 times minus 1 plus 6. So that's 3. So f of minus 3 is basically 3. That's the correct answer. Let's look at the next one. I think that's simple. 5 over x equals to x minus 1 over x plus 2. So 5x plus 10 equals to 6x minus 6. 16 equals to x. Let's see some more questions. Okay, so more easy questions. The function f of x equals to this, where is a constant if f of 2 equals to 8. Then what is the value of the constant a? So 8 equals to 28 minus 2a times 2. So 8 minus 28 equals to minus 4a, minus 20 equals to minus 4a, a equals to 5. Okay, f of 1 square minus 6 minus 5, f of 3 square minus 6, that's 3, minus 5 plus 3 will give me minus 2. Okay, continuing with this, so f of 3 equals to minus 6, so 2 times minus 3 square plus 5 times minus 3 minus a, minus 6, 18, minus 15 minus a, so a equals to 9. I ran something wrong. Let's check. Oh, it was in minus 3, it was 3.